In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your business ID on Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard through the Shopify website using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, click on Settings in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. From there, select General to open your store information page. In the General Settings section, you'll find important business details related to your Shopify store. Depending on what you're looking for, you may see your store ID, business information, or other account identifiers used for integrations and support purposes. If you need the ID for a specific app or integration, you may also need to check the relevant app settings or Shopify partner documentation, as different services can use different identifiers. That's it! You can quickly locate your Shopify business information through the settings area of your Shopify admin. Thanks for watching.